We just finished building out our 2019 Ram ProMaster, and we're so excited to take it on the road. We're always looking for more tools and services to help with our DIY projects, and when it comes to maintaining a van, AutoZone has become our go-to source for all of our DIY automotive needs. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps to use the free AutoZone Fix Finder service. When the check engine, ABS, or SIL light pops up on your dashboard, the first thing you need to do is figure out what's causing the issue and what you need to do to fix it. Sometimes it's just a simple fix, so doing it yourself can save you a lot of time and money. We heard about the free AutoZone Fix Finder service that reads the check engine, ABS, and maintenance lights to identify replacement part solutions. Here's how easy it is to use. First, search for your closest AutoZone. It's so convenient that they have over 6,000 locations. Safely park your car at AutoZone and turn your vehicle off. Next, go inside and ask to borrow the Fix Finder tool from an AutoZoner. Locate the data link connector in your vehicle. Usually it's located under the driver's side of your dash. Before plugging in your Fix Finder, turn on your ignition, but make sure you don't start the engine. After the vehicle's on for about 5 seconds, plug in the Fix Finder. After a few seconds, it will say done, and you can unplug it, turn off the car, and bring it back into the store with your vehicle information. AutoZone makes it super easy to get your report. You have the option of getting it printed out or a digital copy to keep. They'll also explain the Fix Finder report and recommend possible part solutions that you'll need. And if your vehicle needs more advanced maintenance, the AutoZoner can refer you to a trusted local shop. Safe travels!